What are the limits of Excel? As powerful as Excel is, there are limitations to what Excel can do. Actually, some of the limitations that Excel has really depends on the computer system resources where Excel runs. For example, how many simultaneous open workbooks can you have really depends on how much memory that computer has. Worksheet size. Worksheets are quite large. They have 1,048,576 rows by 16,384 columns. The last column in Excel is the XFD column. You can navigate to those far ends in the spreadsheet by using the name box as a navigational tool. If we type XFD1 and press enter, we will make it to the very last column in the sheet. Let's type A1 and press enter to go back to the very first column. Also, if you want to navigate to the very last row in the sheet, all you have to do is type A 1,048,576 and press enter, and that will take you to the very last row in the sheet. Let's go back to the very first row by typing A1 and pressing enter. How wide can a column be? By default, columns are 8.43. That is, out of the box, Excel has column width of 8.43. If you put your pointer at the intersection of the column selector and press the left mouse button, you will see that the width is 8.43 characters, which is the same to say 64 pixels. You can expand by dragging as the pointer turns into that shape and adjust the width of the column. What about row height? Rows have also limitations. The limitation of a row is 409 points. If you select a row and right-click on it and select row height from it, you can enter the height of the row, which will be in points. You can enter 409, which will be in the maximum, or whatever value that you desire. What are the computational limitations of Excel? Let's go to Sheet 2 and explore that. For the most part, Excel is capable of handling our daily computational needs. It can represent small and large, positive and negative numbers, even as a result of formulas. When it comes to creating formulas of your own, 8,192 characters is truly an overkill. However, for certain scientific calculations like the speed of light or calculating the orbit of a satellite going around the Earth, 50 digits number precision is inadequate. I have typed the pi function on J6, and as you can see, Excel will only represent 15 significant digits, and after that, it will ignore and replace them with zeros. To extend the capabilities of Excel, you can do a Google search, and as I did that, I found this add-in, which will extend the capabilities of the number precision of Excel. Quite frankly, Excel is like a cannonball to kill the mosquitoes of our daily calculational needs. Dear friends, if you like what you've seen, I wanted to ask for your support and give us a like and subscribe to the channel so you can get notified every time I upload a new video.